Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to connect RAZER BlackWidow V3 Mini via Bluetooth. So, at first we have to hold this button, Alt button and some numbers, 1 or 2 or 3. So, but before that we have to move this switch, which is here. We have to move it towards Bluetooth, like now. Here, as you can see, we have the one that is signaling that we are in pairing mode, but to enter this pairing mode we have to hold FN, Alt and 1. Now we are in pairing mode. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.